Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Randy Rutnawan from Accounting 23A. In this video, we'll discuss a very important topic, especially for those of you studying business, economy, or law. Definition, law, and business law. Many people run business, enter into a contract, work for companies, or even open online stores without understanding the legal basis. Yet, law is the foundation of every economic activity. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end. What is law? Before delving into business law, we must first understand what law is. Simple but law is a set of rules created by a state or society to regulate human behavior. Its primary purpose is to maintain order, provide certainty, protect rights, and regulate each individual obligation. Imagine a world without laws. People could make promises and then break them. Companies could cheat consumers without penalty. The business environment would be chaotic. Therefore, laws exist to safeguard society, ensuring it runs in an orderly and fair manner. Purpose and function of law. Law Law has several important purposes and functions. First, it establishes order. Without law, there are no rules of the game. Second, it provides justice, where everyone is treated equally. Third, it maintains security so that people can carry out their activities without fear on being threatened. And fourth, it provides legal certainty so that every action and decision can be predicted, especially in the business world. In a business context, legal certainty is crucial. Investors won't invest if regulation change frequently. Business owners can plan their business without a clear legal basis. Source of law. Law in Indonesia originates from several sources. The highest is the 1000 1945 Constitution. Subsequently, there are state governance regulation, ministerial regulation, and regional regulation. Furthermore, There is also jurisprudence, namely judge decision that serve as reference, custom, and doctrines of legal experts. All of these search serve, serve as guidelines for business actor in conducting business activities. For example, the regulation for establishing a company are regulation by the Limited Liability Company Law. Consumer protection regulation are regulated by the Consumer Protection Law. All are interconnected. What is business law? Now let's get to the heart of the discussion, business law. Business law is the totality of rules that govern relationship, activity, and transaction in the business world. Business law not only regulation, contract, or agreement, but also encompasses matters such as company formation, employment, relationship, consumer protection, and taxation. In the real world, every business transaction is bounded by law. Want to rent an office? There's a contract. Want to hire employees? You need to create an employment agreement. Want to sell goods online? You must comply with consumer protection regulation. Therefore, business owner must understand business law to avoid mistake. Scope of business law. The scope of business law is vast. Here are something of its key areas. First contract law. This regulation agreement between two parties such as sales, lease, partnership, and so on. Contract the foundation of business. Second, corporate law regulates the establishment and management of business entities such as PT, CV, firma, and cooperative. Third, labor law regulates the relationship between employers and employees, including working hours, wage, and job security. Fourth, banking and financial law covers loans, interest collateral, and the activities of bank and financial institutions. Fifth, consumer protection law aim to protect consumers from harmful product or service. Six, tax law regulates the company obligation to the state. All these parts are interconnected because business cannot run with just one part of it. Business contract and their participants. Contract are the most important element in business law. A contract is considered valid if it meets all requirements according to the civil code. There is an agreement between the parties. The parties speak legally, have a certain object, and the purpose of the contract must be halal. In additional, in business, there are important principles such as freedom of contract, where the parties are free to determine the content of the agreement. There is also the parties' principle of good faith, which refers the party to behave honestly. A simple example, a market cooperation contract between two companies, if it is if it's not written down, misunderstanding can arise and lead to this. Therefore, the contract must be clear, complete, and agreed upon by the parties. Type of business entities. In business, choosing the right form of business entity is crucial. Each form, each form has different legal consequences. So, proprietorship. The owner bear, bears all risks and liability sustainable for small business. Firms and C it the choice of business entity type this determines the tax system, profit sharing, and liability in the event of legal problem. Employment law. Every company inevitably deals with workers. Employment laws regulation various methods such as employment contracts, minimum wage, working hours, leave, and occupational safety and health. Companies that violate employment regulation can face sanction or employee lawsuit. Conversely, if regulation are properly enforced, company can create a productive and harmonious work environment. Consumer protection. Consumers are the most important stakeholder in business. The Consumer Product Law stipulates that business are required to provide accurate, honest, and non-misleading information. Business disputes and how to resolve them. In the business world, things don't always run smoothly. Disputes such as default, fraud, and or breach of contract often arise. Dispute resolution can be done through negotiation, mediation, arbitration, or litigation in court. The importance of legal certainty in business. Business can only grow if there is legal certainty. Investors will be reluctant to invest if regulation change frequently. Companies will also struggle to plan long-term strategies without regulations stability. Therefore, the law acts as a foundation for a healthy and competitive business climate. In conclusion, law is not merely a limiting tool, but rather a supporting tool for modern economic and for development. By understanding business law, business people can make several decisions. Avoid risks, safeguard their reputation, and build mutually beneficial for professional relationship. That concludes our comprehensive discussion of definition law and business law. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the importance of law in everyday life and the business law. See you in the next video.